Home mortgage tips you need to know about. While you watch this video, please consider subscribing. If you like this content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below with any questions. We would love to hear from you. Also, when the video ends, make sure to check out the rest of the content on this channel and our website howtogrowcredit.com, both with new content added daily. Everyone can use a hand when they're dealing with home mortgages. There are many details involved in the amount of money and time you need to pay off your home. Follow the mortgage advice here to ensure yourself of getting the best deal possible. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to get an idea of how much your monthly payments will be. Shop around and find out what you can be spending on when getting this kind of a loan. Once you figure this out, you will be able to shop for a home in your price range. Avoid accepting the most amount of money that is offered. Consider your income and habits to figure out how much you need to be able to be comfortable. Start preparing for your home mortgage well in advance of applying for it. Your finances will need to be in order. This includes saving money for a down payment and getting your finances in order. If you put these things off too long, you could face a denial letter. Pay down the debt that you already have and don't get new debt when you start working with a mortgage. High debt could lead to a denial of your application to be denied. Carrying debt may also cost you a bunch of money by increasing your mortgage rate. If your home is already worth much less than is currently owed and you have had issues refinancing, don't give up. The HARP initiative has been rewritten to allow homeowners to refinance when underwater. Speak with your mortgage lender to find out if HARP can help you out. If a lender will not work with you, go to a new lender. Any change that is made with your financial situation can cause your mortgage application to be rejected. Make sure your job is secure when you have stable employment before applying for your mortgage. Have all financial documentation organized before applying for a loan. Getting to your bank without your last W-2, check stubs from work, and other documentation can make your first meeting short and unpleasant. The lender is likely to want to look over all of those materials, so keeping it at hand will save you unneeded trips to the bank. Make sure that you aren't paying any more than 30% of your salary on your house loan. Paying a mortgage that is too much can make problems occur later on if you were to have any financial problems. Keeping your payments manageable will allow you to have a good budget in order. Credit rating. Make sure your credit rating is the best it can be before applying for a mortgage. Lenders consider how much risk they are taking on you based on your credit rating. If your credit is not good, do whatever you can to repair it to avoid having your loan application denied. It's never a good idea to lay low and say nothing to your mortgage lender if you are in trouble financially. Be open with them. You don't want to just give up if you fall behind on your mortgage payments. If you talk with the lender, you can often find a workable solution beneficial to both of you. Find out your options by speaking with your mortgage provider as soon as possible. Don't give up hope if your loan application that's denied. Every lender has its own rules as to who they will loan to. This means it is a good idea to apply with a bunch of different lenders to get what you wanted. Get all your financial papers in order before visiting a lender. The lender is going to need to see bank statements, banking statements, and other documentation of assets. Being prepared well in advance will speed up the process and allow it to run much smoother. Educate yourself on the home's history of any prospective property. You have to understand how your taxes for the place you'll buy. If your home is not worth as much as you owe, and you have tried to refinance to no avail, try again. The HARP has been rewritten to allow homeowners to refinance no matter what the situation. Ask your lender about this program. If this lender isn't able to work on a loan with you, you can find a lender who is. Do not let a single mortgage denial prevent you from getting a home mortgage. One lender's denial does not represent them all. Shop around and talk to a broker about your options. You might find a co-signer can help you get the mortgage. Balloon mortgages are among the easiest loans to get approved. This is a short-term loan option, and you have to get the amount owed refinanced when the loan has expired. This is risky due to possible increases in rates or detrimental changes to your financial situation can get worse. Many times a broker can find a mortgage that fits your circumstances better than traditional lenders can. They work with a lot of lenders and can give you in making the right product. Get your documents in order ahead of applying for a new mortgage. This information is vital to the mortgage process that your lender will look at. These documents will include your income tax returns, your latest pay stubs, and bank statements. If you have the documents in hand, you won't have to return later with them. Know what all fees related to a mortgage. There are going to be itemized closing costs, commission fees, and some miscellaneous charges. You can negotiate these fees with either the lender or the seller. Learn about the costs associated with a home loan. There are so many strange line items involved in closing a loan. It can be quite confusing and stressful. However, with the proper legwork, you will be more prepared to negotiate intelligently. If you are buying your first home, find out if government assistance can help you get a good mortgage. These programs can reduce closing costs, offer lower interest rates, and even get your loan approved. You must understand how home mortgages work when you are buying your first home. You should understand points, closing costs, appraisal fees, and all the other things involved with a home mortgage. There are a lot of little things you may not be aware of at first. The fees can add up and you want no surprises. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the rest of the content on this channel and our website howtogrowcredit.com, both with new content added daily. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Not only does it help us make new content for you, but also tells YouTube to share this content with others.